Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to write a book using AI step by step and with an awesome tool called Dabbly AI. Whether you are a first time author or just looking to save time, this guide will take you through using AI to go from idea to finished book the easiest way. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So here you can see we already landed in our Dabbly.com. This is our platform where we can easily create our books. So first of all, we are going to talk about what is Dabbly AI. So Dabbly AI is an AI powered book writing assistant that helps you plan, outline and write the book. Then it helps you to generate chapter and content using artificial intelligence. Then it also helps you to keep everything organized in one place. Similarly, it helps you to export your book when you are done. It is a perfect for fiction, non-fiction, self-help or even short stories, all without writer's block. So in Deeply you can see we have self-publisher options where we can fill in service like book bundles, cover designs and many more. So how you can start using Deeply, like how you can access the dashboard. So basically to get started you just need to be visit on Deeply.com. Here you can see this is the link. Like once you landed this panel, you have two options in the right corner called login and sign up. If you're new in this platform, you just need to be create a free account. Just click over here, sign up. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options to create an account over here. As you can see, they're asking for our mail, so I'm going to provide my mail address over here. So let's go and let's paste our mail. Once I give my Gmail address and my password, then I just click on the next and they give us the option to verify our email. I'm going to save it into Chrome. Then let's visit our Gmail account to get this authentication code. So they already mentioned that it will be find out in the spam or junk folder. So let's go. Here I already get an authentic code in the main panel. So this is my code. I'm going to paste it here. Then click on submit. Once I click over here, then here they give us the agreement, so I will select all. If you want to read it, you can read whole information, then you just click on submit. It's totally up to you. So now they are asking for the number, phone number and many things, so I'm going to provide all the number and last name, username, it's optional, so I'm also going to provide it. Then they are calling us. I'm going to provide this one, then this one, then let's click on update profile. So I need to be select this one too. Select anyone. No thanks. And now eventually you can see we already in on inside. You will land on the dashboard. Here you can see you can check this out video one by one where you will find out the tutorial on this Dabbly platform. So once you've done everything, we will go ahead into the main step, that is build your book outline. So let's go now. Let's outline your book. First of all, enter a brief description of summary of idea. So how can you do it? Just click on post a project. Once you click over here, so here you can see post my first project, and then project name will be my name, and then click on get started. Once you're done, then here you can see they are giving us these options: build your own project or build pre-built project. I'm going to select this one, then click on continue, and here some of these premium version are available. That's called book writing, sample writing, human AI, SEO and many more. So just choose a genre from that place. So when you choose, you will get options to write a book, like choose between fiction or non-fiction and design notification. Then include fully written, copyrighted, like copy edited and proofread manuscript in ebook format. So once you're done, just go again into the dashboard. So once you're done, then you just need to come over here into the next tab and search for Deeply Create. So here once you click over here, and then if you click over this link, then they will redirect you to the next page. And here you can see we already have 2000, like 20,000 tokens are available, which I am allowed to use it in this book creation process. So here I'm going to click on this new project. You will find out in the top right corner. Just click over here, and here you can choose a template, or you can go from the blank version. It's totally up to you how you will do your work. So here you can see we already get a couple of options. It's called section, and here it is a note section, like start writing no matter what it does not follow until Factory is turned on. Note 1. So I'm going to start something. Subscribe. How to increase subscriber. Type keep and comments that will be write a book. Give me a headline. And here they are giving us to make an outline over here. Once you're done, then here into the section, the first draft is you telling yourself the story. So it's really easy to make this outline when you're done. So main thing, like it is one of the important thing, like if you're nothing, like if you don't have any idea and you don't know what will be the starting point for you, then you can just visit this Amazon platform, and here you will get idea like what kind of a niche you will be want to enter it. Here is a couple of like interesting book we have, then you can choose one of them and just start writing here. So how you can do it, here if you come back to this panel, or like you can see we already make a note. So here if I click on this plus button, click to add, just click over here, and if you give this button help like keep, then here you can see that they have a message that how can keep help you to writing your writing. So here you can just write something like for write brainstorming, image generation, chat KIP from prompt library. This AI will help you throughout the process of writing a book. Like I'm going to write something that will be give me good headlines, and as you can see it is generating unblocking how to. And if you again told them to write a book idea or a outline, then they will also help you to write this outline. Let's go and let's try it. So just give help from KIP again, give me outlines, and just enter, hit the button, and here you can see please provide more details about outlines you need. Are there for a specific topic, history of project? Click on insert, and here just write it non-fiction. Like I can say that it will be like a non-fiction money related books. Then hit enter, and they will give you the options like please provide me more details about non-fictional money related book you have in mind, such as topic, themes, and any aspects you would like to focus. So here I'm going to add insert again, and let's click over here and let's enter the KIP and writing that will be create and title, provide me outline on my book about seeking for money. Let's hit enter, and then let's wait. Here you can see the pursuit of oil, and we are getting all this outline for our book. So we have introduction part, that mindset of abundance, and many things. So you can see how easy the process was. You can easily make your outline through this option. So I'm going to make it again into the new tab, and I'm going to delete it because I'm going to write a book from scratch. So here I'm going to click on keep, create, and title, and give me a outline for my book who is and let's hit enter. And here you can see the currency of dream, and I will save it here. So as you can see, it has been saved. Click on insert and it has been insert over here. Just click on Ctrl S. As you can see, it has been saved. So here in the section, you need to become over here into the section, then just best way to become writer to write, rewrite and keep on writing. So I'm going to copy this headline from that place, introduce to money, and let's go come back to this panel, and here I'm going to keep this and write just introduce to money and hit the enter, and it will take a while to provide it. Here you can see it already enter, and then go again, and here I'm going to add this cape again. Like you need to provide your commands one by one. Once you're done, then you can easily save your this project on your folder. So how you can save it? It's really easy. You just not follow this process. Here you will find out this export button. Once you click over here into the right corner, and you will find out this 3-dot button. Just click on export v1. Once you click over here, now you can see they're giving us the formatting options, and now you can see you can give this file name like whatever name you want to paste it here. Then you can choose the file format. It can be, or it could be PDF or Word, then page size and many things. Here you can see, just click on export, and eventually you will find out that your book has been downloaded on your desktop. And here you can see this is the section 1, and this is the author and many things. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you think this was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.